Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cluttered workspaces and constant switching between devices? The AV Access 8K KVM Switch 2 Monitors 2 Computers is here to change that. This revolutionary docking station is designed to streamline your workflow, providing lightning-fast connections and crystal-clear HD quality. With its modern design, you'll be able to expand your workspace and increase productivity. One of the key benefits of this product is its ability to keep both connected computers online via shared gigabit Ethernet, even when not selected, allowing you to continue downloads, updates, or AI processing in the background without interruption. The always-on network ensures that you can switch between devices seamlessly, without any downtime. You'll also appreciate the full-speed 100W USB-C charging, which allows you to charge your laptop while using dual monitors, data transfer, and wired internet, all through one USB-C cable, keeping your workspace clean and efficient. This product is extremely well reviewed and many customers have purchased and reviewed it, praising its ease of use and versatility. The 11-in-1 docking station replaces multiple hubs, providing a range of connections including HDMI, DP, USB, and SDXC card slot, making it perfect for modern home offices, developers, streamers, gamers, and content creators. With the ability to connect one laptop and one desktop to two monitors and share keyboard, mouse, audio, and peripherals, you'll be able to switch instantly between devices using the top button or included wired remote controller. The AV Access 8K KVM Switch 2 Monitors 2 Computers is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace. Its fast switching between two computers, dual monitors, and range of connections make it the perfect solution for anyone looking to increase productivity and reduce clutter. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or content creator, this product is sure to take your workflow to the next level. With its ease of use, versatility, and range of features, it's know if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.